It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and today I'm here with Josh. Now, Josh, I noticed right now we're just standing on subfloor. Is this always the case, or what are some things we need to look out for?
No, if you were just doing a renovation, you're probably already going to have existing flooring installed. There's really two situations. You have a bonded floor, be it tile, glue down, nail down, hardwood, things that are fixed that need to go down before the cabinets. Or like in this case, we're going to have a floating floor. Basically, we're going to want to account for that when we do our installation. We want to account for that floating floor height in the way that we shim our cabinets up and start this process.
Cool, so what I'm hearing is if it's a permanent floor, glued down floor, we want to install cabinets on top of that, but if it's floating, we're waiting.
Exactly, okay. Yes. With floating, you want to make sure there's room for movement. Floating floors need expansion and contraction space. So we don't want to tie those down with heavy cabinets and countertops and everything on top of them. So in this situation, the cabinets will go in first, the flooring will come in later. Really identifying the type of flooring you have before your project begins, it's really important. It plays a vital role in your planning. If you have any questions about that, just reach out to your cabinet coach. They'll be able to help you along the way and kind of give you the best advice possible as to plan for your project and the flooring type that you'll be using. Give us a call, 888-201-6482. Have a great day.